Trader, September 13, 2018, after the market closed, going to report on ticker symbol HEME. Reported on her yesterday, September 12th. I wasn't able to completely report on anything else. I thought I'll be back early, but, it was my birthday. My apologies for anybody who was reviewing HEME yesterday and wanted to get an update on BioAmber and other stocks that I mentioned. I'll try to update them today. I already did an update on BioAmber, so you can review it for yourself. But let's take a look at HEME. So, once again, in this trading range, if you viewed my tutorial yesterday on Heme, I stated that, I got a little penisy right here because I saw a break through this range. This is a correct trend line. The fact that it broke not just one time, but, 1, 2, 3, about 4 times before I headed back under. And now it's at the support level. You see how it's bouncing off that area. So I'm expecting her to pop. I even thought that she'll explode at the end. It was huge prints, but held at 0.0057. So, if the sellers are holding the trend line and we want to break it through, a solid breakthrough would be something like 0.007 or higher. Okay, I would say right here is a great indication that it broke through. Even 7 zeros too high. I would even say 0.0064. She closes above 0.0064. She will head higher. It might take a couple more days. A few more trading days or so, but she will. Sometimes she just explodes right off the back. So let's keep an eye on her. I'm still excited about Heme. I really think based on the flow and the share structure and what they're all about, it's still below where she should be trading. So keep your eyes on HEME.